Good morning and welcome back to the channel. My name is David and today I want to walk you through a really simple tool to use. It's what I use to track my daily word count goals for individual writing projects. I want to show you how to use this tool, where you can get it for free. And yeah, let's jump right in. The tool I will be using is called the Finish Faster Writing Tracker. I thought that's a nice catchy name, and it's basically just an Excel download. So in the description below you'll have the link where you can get this sheet. On the first page of the sheet you're going to see directions. These are just a reminder of everything I'm going to go through, so if you need a reminder, then just look at that. If we scroll down to the different tabs at the bottom, you're going to see that there are 4 tabs. So instructions to begin, and then a 30, 60, and 90-day goal tracker. So the 3 different tabs all operate essentially the same way, just with a different time span. When you're beginning, I always recommend choosing the shorter time frame. I've just found that keeps me more accountable, and I tend to write more when I'm on a tighter deadline. So that's my little pro tip for you there. All right, so this thing is really easy to use. So basically there's a few things that you're going to enter to begin with. First, in B1 where it says enter project name here, you're going to go ahead and type in whatever you want your project to be called. And then in D1 up here where you see 30,000, this is where you're going to write what your actual goal is by the end of the period. So I say 30 or 50,000, and you can see that the numbers around here change accordingly. So let me walk you through what those actually are. So first, we have the daily goal, which is just a simple division of your total word count by how many days you have to write it. And then to the right over here, you have a few totals and other statistics just to help you stay on track, such as the total words written, how many words are remaining, percentage, days remaining, and so on, just to help you get a quick glimpse of what you actually need to do by when. Now, if we take a look at this center part, this is where you're going to be actually filling in the information every day. Most often when you are writing in, say, Word or a Google Doc, the only number you're really going to see is the total word count at the bottom of the page. So this is built around using those kind of tools. So let's say on day 1 you write 1,000 words. You can see that that's a little bit under your goal target, and so next to that it's going to have an X because you didn't quite meet it. Let's go ahead and change this so that you are close to it and show what that does. So you can see it turns into a yellow exclamation point just to show you that you were very close. How close were you? And then let's say we went over it, and then that changes to a green check to show that you met that goal for the day. As you continue to write every day, say you continually exceed your goal, you're going to see that you get more check marks, and that this calculates your individual daily word count so that you don't have to do that. You just enter your total word count that's showing in your Google Doc or Scrivener or Word document, whichever tool you're using. That's the only number you have to worry about and enter, and then everything else here takes care of itself. My favorite little addition to the sheet was this column right here. It just shows you a nice little graph of how close you are. The little bar chart continues to grow so that by the time you're done, boom, it shows that you have met or exceeded your goal. I'm a visual person, so I like those additions like that. And again, it's real simple to use. So this column is the one where you'll be entering information each day. You enter a project name here, your daily goal or your whole project goal here, and the spreadsheet will take care of the rest. So again, there's a 30-day framework, a 60-day, and a 90-day for those really big projects. If you need a reminder of anything else I've talked about, again, you can check the instructions on the first page. Really simple tool. I hope it motivates you to write daily. I know seeing things like this helps keep me accountable just because I like to see those numbers tick up every single day. And again, this spreadsheet is built for a per project basis. So every time you finish a project, you'd basically just make a copy of this sheet and go ahead and use it again for your next project. If you want to see the sheet I use to track my word count for the entire year, go ahead and leave a comment and I can make an additional video on that. So thank you again for watching, and I will see you next time.